I wanted to show you about this trade I want to do. It's with this company right here, INBD. Now I'm going to put a trade on using the one simple strategy formula. Okay, and I calculated the values beforehand. Now, you have to get the one simple strategy book to find out how I got these, where I got the calculations, how I got them. But I hooked it up into, I linked it up there in the bottom of the description. But here we go, okay? You right on this, buy custom with an OCO bracket. This is how we put it into the trade ticket, okay? Here we go. Now, this one is 53.30. This is called the buy limit. It is 55.18. 18. I have to get one. The market just closed. That's the thing about one simple strategy. You don't have to do it while the market's open. You can do it after the market's closed. You know, you can put these trades in and you'll see after I get it in here, it can sit in here for a month and maybe nothing will happen. But then when the stock decides it wants to move, that's when it happens. Now let's see, what was I telling you about? You got to get the book to find out where I got all these values. This is the target. There is a method to it. I'm just not making it up. This is called the stop. 49.04. These right here, you make them good to cancel. And that means it's not going to cancel until I come over and cancel it myself. You know, and these right here, this one is the target and this is the stop. And I'll explain this in a minute. These are the shares. Now, you finish putting this in here. There's a formula to getting the correct shares too. Alright, now that I have everything in here correct, let me make sure I have it how I want it. The buy limit, see that's the buy price, buy limit. The target, that's where we want to go, want the stock to move to. That's the stop right there. Shares, good to cancel. Then we confirm, we sent. Now here it is. I wanted to show you. This is the trade right here. This is it. This is what it looks like. Now see what can happen is right here's the stock. That's where it's trading. Let me get this over here. Still not liking that one. See right here's where the stock is trading. It has to go up and then it will fill the order right here. And then it goes up here when we take the profit. Now, it could come down, but this is the stop. What we've done is we put the odds in our favor. Okay, we put the odds in our favor for success. Now, I just wanted to make a video to show everybody how it works. See, while this is going up and waiting on you don't have to sit here and watch this. Okay, you can go off and do whatever it is you want to do. I suggest going to work, you know, and then doing this on the side, because you just when it decides it wants to go up, that's when it will go up. Okay, that's how one simple strategy works. Okay, I just wanted to show you that. Alrighty, well, I'll talk to you later. Have a good day.